Hello friends, very good evening, very good morning, very good afternoon. This is Kalp Shah from Kalp Shah CA classes and Agarwal Consultants. How are you friends? Hope all of you are doing well. Today we gonna see how to register your RODTAP account, how to create a RODTAP account. Let's see. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Kalp Shah. Full name is Kalpesh Shah. Our organization name is legalsahayata.com. Kalp Shah's legalsahayata.com is our organization and our website is legalsahayata.com. I say to you, forget legal worries, use legalsahayata.com, Kalp Shah's legalsahayata.com, wherein you can get facilities and services related to tax compliances and legal compliances like GST return, GST refund, income tax refund, etc. matters. Apart from that, we also deal in company incorporation, trademark related matters, trademark registration, trademark appeal. Apart from that, we also did in 3DS return, income tax return, import export code related modification, IC code registration. These are the services which we normally give. Let's see our services list: company incorporation, trademark registration, ROC compliance, legal agreement and contract drafting, NCLT, income tax return, GST return, FEMA related compliances, IC code, PF, ESI related compliances, food license, central food license for export import we also provide you, and every kind of RCMC will deal in. We also deal in DGFT matters. These are our services. Now we will directly come to the point how to register in IceGate account. First of all, you need to log in yourself in IceGate, and then you will find on the home page you are logged in as welcome page. Welcome to IceGate. You are logged in as AgroChat or whatever is your company name. Then you need to go in financial services. Then you need to create eScript. You need to go in eScript. Then you need to select the script. One is RODTEP, another is ROSCTL. So you need to select RODTAP and create eScript. This is how simple you can create eScript. After creation of account, you can once you have filed your shipping bills, and in your shipping bill you should select. You should tell your CHA to select RODTAP. Yes, this is the declaration which you give in your shipping bill. Let me show you the declaration for claiming the RODTAP benefits. That you need to tell to your CHA that he should select accordingly for RODTAP. Just you need to mention that I want to avail RODTAP. So he will select RODTAP yes in the appropriate column of the shipping bill. SW info type table, he will select info type DTY, info QFR RDT, info code RODTAP Y, and or RODTAP N if you don't want to avail RODTAP benefits. But apart from some few sectors, RODTAP is available to everyone, and these are the RODTAP rates. You can Google Appendix 4R and you can enter your Control F button and enter your HSN code or your product's HSN code. You can find the your applicable rate on your product of RODTAP. And this is another file which is PDF RODTAP advisory, which I show you, which I already shown you how to create an account on IceGate. See, I was telling you, once you have filed the shipping bill RODTAP Y, and after that you need to click over here shipping bill details. Then all the shipping bills which you had filed on a particular port and particular scheme, say for example Ahmedabad Air Cargo, then you submit. You will find all the shipping bills against which you have filed RODTAP yes, and then you can create eScript. Let me show you. That is in RODTAP advisory. The whole thing is given over here in RODTAP advisory. You need to click on this shipping bill details. So all the shipping bills which you have filed with RODTAP yes will be shown over here, and you need to select the account number, scheme and location, that is port code, and your one script will be generated. It will be eScript which is transferable, and eScript is your RODTAP amount. This is shipping bill number, shipping bill date, scroll number, then scroll date. Then you need to here create generate script. Once you click on generate script, first of all you need to click this button which I have shown you. Then this is submit. That all shipping bills will be shown. Here no shipping bills have been filed, so no shipping bill are showing. But if you click on shipping bill details, just like this shipping bill will be shown over here. Then you need to select them from here and generate script. That script will be generated, which will be e-script, which is transferable. Script number so and so has been generated successfully, and this script is transferable, or you can even create one script out of two by combining 3 or 4 shipping bills. And this script is valid for 1 year. After creation of this script, you can use or transfer this script within 1 year. Even the person to whom you have transferred this script, he or she must use this script within 1 year from the date of issuance. Say for example, after 2 months of creation of script you are transferring, then he will be able to use that script, e-script, for next 10 months for importing goods into India, and that script will be used or can be used against paying only basic custom duty, that is BCD. But you cannot pay countervailing duty, or sorry, not countervailing duty, but you cannot pay protective duty, protective custom duty, or anti-dumping duty or dumping duty. Only basic custom duty can be paid by using this script, which is transferable. And also let me share you some more details about this scheme. And you must realize your foreign exchange within FEMA limit, that is 9 months. Then these are transferable scheme. There are 3 to 4 sectors for which this scheme is not available. Apart from these 3 to 4 sectors, all sectors are eligible to avail this scheme. These sectors are steel sector, chemical sectors, and pharmaceutical sectors. And this scheme is available only from EDI ports. So if you have not registered yourself on IceGate, please contact us on this mobile number is 91063 59201 and 80000 28250. This is our direct mobile number. We can help you in creating your digital signature, as well as creating your IceGate account, as well as creating your RODTAP account, and generating your e-script. And we can also sell your e-script if it is not usable to you, or if you are not importing that much amount of goods. Apart from that, I would also like to share that you can pay BCD, that is already been discussed. This script cannot be used against any export obligation under advance authorization, duty free import authorization, or export oriented unit. 100% EOU cannot use this scheme, or they cannot take benefit of this scheme. And there is a capping. There is a capping also, per kg capping or per liter capping also, that you can find in this list. Thank you, friends. Take care.